Folding. Folding.
Recording.
I'm going to record him.
So you pull that in like so. 1 tablespoon enough. You put that in like so, and then you end up wringing it out. Now, like for years and years and years when they didn't have refrigeration. Now we've got fridges, so that's a good thing. But if you wrap your hand there, and I want to try and leverage that into here, put that in there, wrap it, keep it moist. Every 2 days, put in the water and the vinegar again.
Do you wash it?
Yeah, wash it out again, keep it nice and
Because it gets on greasy if you wash it.
Make sure it's washed first too, because you don't want to put new bugs on it.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Excuse me, so that means using that way it doesn't leave it under.
Sorry about that.
In the fridge, we'll make sure it's looked after. And look, there's other things too. Barbecues are pretty popular with people this time of year too. And the only thing you can probably keep on the barbecue for a little while will be, you know, if you've got a couple of bangers and sausages or steak, you want to keep it on the hot plate, maybe for an hour or so, as long as you eat it though. Don't leave it there for a while and put it back in the fridge. So this summer in particular, just keep tracking where the food is so everybody's happy.
Okay, if the turkey's still in the freezer right now,
Plan for next year. Plan for next year. Too late. Really. A turkey can take literally weeks in the freezer, you know, in the fridge to be soft. So, if you've got one in the freezer now, take off to your butcher or your chicken shop and see if they've got one left. I mean, the chances are probably pretty
you
slim.
should defrost it in the fridge. Why don't you leave it out all day today?
Well, if you let it out all day, it could defrost, but probably not to the middle or so. You're going to have to cook it really, really well. Give it the thermometer, you know, the turkey thermometer, right into the middle, 75 degrees. Apparently is the magic temperature to get it to. And so cook it really, really well. Not with the stuff, cook the stuff in the
Waka waka waka. Waka waka waka.
Yeah, weeks and weeks. So that's why it says, like, people realise, it's Christmas tomorrow. Just go and buy some cut turkey. You know, you get those turkey rolls?
Yeah.
They're a good backup to it.
Pin your back.
What are you doing, Johnny?
No, for what?